Guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to change email address in Alibaba. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up the app. Now you wait for it to load, and after that click on my Alibaba, and that takes you to your profile. Now under your profile, click on this your profile icon. Then this is your email address. Click on edit. Okay, so what I need to do is you are going to get the code for verification. So let's wait for it. Okay, so I'm going to go to the email now to go and check the code. Okay, so this is the code that has been sent to my Gmail. So make sure you copy it. Just click on it to copy it. I'm going to go back to the Alibaba and paste the code that you copied. Okay, so you're going to put the code here. Click on paste. And click on submit. Now after that, you can now put your new email here very easily. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.